So mamimili tayo guys ng isang lucky follower guys na makakatanggap ng libreng Xiaomi 15T worth 27,000 pesos guys. So ano bang meron sa cellphone na to at bakit ang daming tao pinag-uusapan itong cellphone na to right now guys? Ito lang naman ang pinaka-latest guys na cellphone na nilabas ni Xiaomi this year. This is actually considered one of their flagship phone. Just look at the design guys. Napakaganda guys. Like wow. So it features a MediaTek Dimensity 8400 octa-core processor with 12GB of RAM and 256GB and 512GB of storage guys. It features a Leica camera system guys. Sa mga hindi pa nakakalam, ang Leica camera is one of the most expensive camera brand and reputable brand po right now in the world. So triple camera system pa po yan guys. It features a 5,500 mAh battery which is more than the standard of the battery of the Android phones right now. It also features a 67-watt super duper fast charging, 120Hz 2K display at 3,200 peak nits brightness guys. Compared to the iPhone 17 Pro Max that's only 3,000 nits. So ito 3,200 nits. Ibig sabihin guys, napaka-smooth at napakalinaw po ng display nito guys. So paano makakasali guys? So meron tayong full review guys ng Xiaomi 15T guys on our YouTube channel right now. Panoorin nyo lang hanggang dulo, nandun po yung mga mechanics and there you go. Pwede ka nang manalo at mag-uwi ng Xiaomi 15T worth 27,000 completely for free. So yun lang, kita kas there. Make sure nakafollow kay James. See you there. Bye-bye.